Oh, well done, Beth. God, that was a lot of energy, wasn't it?
Yeah, I know it sounded a little out of tune a little bit because I've got a
was
voice.
I was out of breath. I was out of breath after watching it go on then. Right, Kelly, what do you think of Beth's performance?
You can't help but smile. My wife is hurting from smiling so much during that performance. It was such a cheeky, enjoyable performance. Regardless of the vocal, you put your all into that. You put all your energy into. You looked so happy whilst you were singing, which is really weird because the song's called Happy. But it was just it was so fun. It was just so fun to watch. It was so contagious to watch you because you were having fun. I think we were all having fun. So
that's the idea.
Brilliant. Well done, lovely.
Louise?
Yeah, Beth, I'm not going to concentrate, same as I said to someone else earlier, I'm not going to concentrate on the vocals because that's not what Upbeat Week is really about. You came out here, you just, like someone switched go and you didn't stop until the end. You were just jigging about, having fun, you really just went for it up there. I love the fact that you kind of, I know last week you had a comment about getting interaction with the audience. You got us clapping, you know, you had us participating in what you were doing. You had everyone involved, and that was a big thing for you, and I'm really, really proud of you. You did really well this week in terms of performance. Just be careful in the future now. Don't come out and do this and let it hinder your vocals.
Yeah, I did notice.
Yeah, but for this week, it was fab for this week. It did it did its job. And you should be really, really proud of yourself because your confidence seems so much better this week. Well done, lovely.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, Beth, I mean, in terms of the song choice you come up with, it's not really a song that really goes anywhere vocally, you know. But the beauty of this performance, like I said, in terms of vocally, it wasn't polished and whatever, so, but there's not much you can do with the song anyway. Just stand there and just repeat the same line. But in terms of presentation, it was really, really nice to see you kind of loosen up a little bit and relax. And again, like I said, you know, vocals are important every week. Just pointing at you. That's right, just what I'm calling.
You're the one who told me to be nice, thank you.
But at the same time, we still got to appreciate that it is a tempo week. And if we're seeing an improvement in you all relaxing and showing us energy, then we're happy, and that's the main thing. So, well done, you did your job, you did exactly what you needed to do tonight.
Eye contact a bit more.
Yeah, it was much better, so well done, Beth.